The ucmdb. It holds all the information about the applications, servers, infrastructure, and inventory components in your data center and the dependencies between them, covering all applications in your organization. As an IT expert or an IT business service owner, easy and simple access to relevant data within the ucmdb could potentially make your day-to-day work simpler and more efficient. Yet the way you relate to the ucmdb is somewhat similar to how you felt regarding that fraternity you wanted to join in college, or to your relationship with the latest edition of the Quantum Physics Digest. Although you know it holds a vast amount of knowledge and the promise of very beneficial experiences, the ucmdb is mostly out of your reach, and let's face it, you wouldn't know how to get in and take part in the action even if you wanted to. Now, all this has changed. HP is proud to present the ucmdb browser, a lightweight HTML5 web-based user interface giving you comprehensive access to everything in your IT network from every angle in an intuitive and simple-to-use interface. Just perform a free-form contextual search for just about anything IT: a computer, a database, a firewall, an application, an incident, or even an RFC. Then, from the search results on the left, select an item of your choice. On the right, you now see a centralized overview of all the information about it in various information widgets. These widgets display the item's properties, environment, simulate how it may impact other elements in the network, and much more. Expand a widget to get a detailed view. Navigation between IT elements is simple and intuitive from the search results or from within the widgets themselves. The ucmdb browser automatically aggregates all the information that relates to IT elements, not only from the ucmdb, but also from a variety of other products such as Configuration Manager, Enterprise Collaboration, Service Management, Operations Orchestration, and more. This makes it a powerful tool for creating the full picture for any application, server, or network component which can serve you in any situation. Let's see how the ucmdb browser can simplify your work. In our first example, we'll see how it helps IT business owners in their daily routine. Let's say you are the owner of a large bank's call center application. On an otherwise slow Tuesday afternoon, you are suddenly bombarded with telephone calls and emails. It seems the bank's call center software has stopped working. The pressure is on to make sure the source of the problem is found and fixed. But where do you start? What exactly has happened, and why? Is the problem being dealt with? By whom? Up until now, the most you could do was start calling relevant employees throughout the organization to start putting the picture together. If only you had known who they are and what their phone number is. So mostly what you could do is wait. Basically, you were in the dark. Now with the ucmdb browser, all the answers are at your fingertips. You simply open the browser and just search for your call center. Once it is found, the security widget shows all of its security statuses, and the monitoring widget the operational ones. You can actually verify the call center is indeed malfunctioning. Browsing the incident widget shows you that a database failure incident has been opened for the application, which leads us to understand that this is the source of the problem. From within the incident widget, you see the database item and then navigate directly to it. In its Stakeholders widget, you see who owns it. You can now email or open a chat directly from the browser using the Enterprise Collaboration icon, asking the owner what the status of the problem is. In this same window, you also soon receive his answer. In a very short time, you have understood what the source of the problem is, seen what other effects it has, contacted the person responsible for fixing it, and received an answer as to when it will be fixed. Using the ucmdb browser, you have gained enterprise-level visibility of the problem using a single tool, and the uncertainty has diminished. Now we'll take a look at how the ucmdb browser helps IT experts in their daily routine. Following the call center malfunction, it was established that insufficient memory was the cause for the database server failure. An IT architect issues a new policy stating that databases should be run only on machines with at least 16 gigabytes of memory. In this example, you are the DBA, and it is your job to implement the policy. Before the ucmdb browser, you first had to access the Configuration Manager and locate which DBs belong to you, on which computer they reside, and whether their memory needs to be upgraded or not. Once you found the elements that needed upgrading, you then had to locate their owners. Each owner had to go into the CMDB to simulate an impact analysis before they take the server down for memory upgrade. Then locate and notify each impacted owner to let them know of the upcoming downtime. Very time-consuming and extremely complex.